Both of my parents are alumni here. I had an older brother that came here. So I've been around the campus for my whole life. The coach reached out to me and it was divine intervention from God. It was a great opportunity. We have a great team and everybody being on the same page of just loving a weird thing to love, which is like running in circles. It's pretty special. I share my faith the most with just doing the sport I love. I think God's work in my life really shows through with how much I love it. It's a blessing that I'm able to run and compete at a college level. It's really easy in running to make running your identity and focus on that. So it's really great to be able to step back and just be appreciative that like it's just a gift in itself. I can just keep working hard and not be too overwhelmed with like the details and the numbers. I can just focus on a gift that God's given me.